Remo Day celebration. Yeah, this is a very beautiful one. And on this Remo Day, let me first appreciate and thank our third paramount ruler, His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Babatunde Adewale Ajayi, CFR, the Akarigo and paramount ruler of Remo land. Fún àgbésílẹ̀ ti Remo Day tí bàbá ṣe. This is so beautiful because this Remo Day is to bring the sons and daughter of Remo land together. This is to show the unity across the people of Remo. This is a brilliant idea. This is also to preserve our culture and heritage, showcasing what Remo is made of. This is a beautiful one. So when we say Remo Day, it is not just a normal day. It is not just Sagamu Day or Ikene Day or what's it called? Ishara Afolabi Day. This is Remo. This is the unity. This is the seat of power of Akarigo. This is to say, Remo, we are not just anybody. We are outstanding. We are top notch. We have top notch people in Remo. So it is fantastic. So I will give it up to Baba Akarigo for bringing up this fantastic and brilliant idea, bringing Remo sons and daughters together. Baba Eshepuko, Ade Atuko Peluri, Bata Atuko Pelese, Irukere Baba Makosi, Omoyoyo ni Afi Baba. Bàbá fi àpèrè yìí fi ṣe àwọn títí ní gbélẹ̀ àpèrè yìí á pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidi gan bàbá ṣé púpọ̀. Having said that, I must specially thank the governor of Ogun State, the working governor, the Mr. Project, Mr. Work. I must thank him for what he has done in Remo. I don't want to say Ogun State. I'm not here to talk about Ogun State at large. I'm here to narrow it down to Remo, what he has brought to us, the road infrastructure, everything. Mr. Governor, thank you so much for your brilliant idea, for your brilliant governance, for what you have brought to Remo. Hey, Dojutiwa, you have shown us in Remo that you are a true son of Remo. Thank you so much. Fantastic airport you brought to Remo. That we cannot forget. We cannot even look aside for that to it. You have brought these fantastic projects to Remo. The people, the sons and daughters of Remo will remember you for good for the rest of their life as long as Remo exists. Thank you so much. Remo agbe gbogbo wa o, ọdún ayabo, a dẹ̀ máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún Remo láyé. SOE.